Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. I just want to give you the update of my paving installation. So far I have completed the left hand side or this line here. I've completed paving and then just finishing the other side, and only a small gap in between. Yeah, so I think I have enough paving offcuts to fill in the remaining space. Yeah. By the way, today is Sunday, and 14th of June 2020, and the time now is 5 o'clock. So it's time to stop working. So I have to continue this on Tuesday because we have looking after our grandson tomorrow. Yeah, so basically Monday and Thursday my wife and I are looking after our grandson. Okay, I hope you like my small presentation. As you can see, the bubble is on the left hand side. The bubble is on the left hand side, meaning that side there is higher than this side here. So meaning we have a nice runoff, and there's no ponding of water on the upper part of this I can say slab or ground surface. Yeah, after, as I said, so I'm going to fill in the gap with concrete mix to make more stable, and it won't I mean, it's really stable, it's not wobbly. Alright, my friends, my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, I hope you enjoy watching my paving installation. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. But I'm not yeah, so far so good. I'm happy with my the progress of paving installation today. Yeah, so hopefully next week I can finish everything, excluding the concrete on its gap. So okay, good night, and please be safe. God bless, and bye for now. And please be safe.